Hey, it's Ruth Stern, and today's marketing tip is on headlines. If you want to be seen, you really have to have captivating headlines. And headlines are used everywhere. You use them on your titles for your live speech you're doing, online webinars or teleclasses. You use them for your email subject lines. Use them really everywhere. You know how you walk in a bookstore or you go on Amazon and you're looking for a book on a topic you like? So there's lots of books that can be really good. But what happens, human nature is to go towards the title that's the most attractive and compelling. So those other books might have great information, but you're drawn and you buy the book with the great title. And that's why it's so important, because you are not seen when you don't have something that really piques their interest. So it's really important when you create your title, really to understand that headlines are both a science and an art. So there's a science because there are actually proven things that you can do, and I'm going to tell you a couple of them today, to make your headlines pop, where people lean in and go, ooh, I want to open that email, or I want to go to that webinar. And the art is really tuning in to your client's needs and wants and getting creative. If you're quirky or funny, you can add that. Something that will be interesting to the people and want to open it. I know it works for me. When I'm on emails and I see a topic that says 3 mistakes or the 3 secrets, I lean in if it's a topic I'm interested in because I want to know. Even if it's a topic that I teach about, I want to know, ooh, do they know some other secrets that I need to know? Or a mistake? So I'm sure that's happened to you. So you want to do the same. And here's the reason, another reason why. When you have great headlines, you will double or triple your email open rates. So it's really important to know how to captivate them right from the beginning. So I'm going to give you an example. Let's say you're a physical therapist and your topic is on healing athletic injuries. So you could have a title, Healing Athletic Injuries, or How to Heal Athletic Injuries. Okay, but it's not too compelling. Now listen to this one. The 3 biggest mistakes athletes make that keep them from healing rapidly. Keep them from healing their injury rapidly, sorry. Do you see the difference? The 3 biggest mistakes that athletes make when they have an injury that keep them from healing rapidly. It has punch, it has a positive solution, it piques your interest. What are those mistakes? You're much more likely to tune into a topic like that than a general overall how to heal injuries. It almost sounds like a textbook. So that's the difference. So what I'm going to do is to show you is there are many, many kind of headlines you can use, many templates. I'm going to show you 2 today, and they're really powerful, and they both work really well. The first one is called a solution-based title. So here's an example of one. 3 simple steps for busy moms to create vibrant energy. So what this is, it's specific, 3 simple steps. It tells you who the target market is, the busy moms, and the solution, vibrant energy. Very simple. So you just basically plug in your target audience and the specific outcome that you're going to teach them. And the studies on templates show that the number 3, 5, and 7 works really well. For whatever reason, people like those numbers. And then the second template is called a pain-based title. So it's just focusing on the pain. So here's another one. The 3 biggest mistakes women make that push men away without even knowing it. You see how compelling that is? So if you're a single woman and you're having trouble dating, you want to know, oh my God, what am I doing wrong? What's that mistake? It just piques that curiosity in such a big way. So both templates, solution and pain-based, are very, very effective. So I hope this is helpful to you, and if you know someone who's also could benefit, share this video, or you can subscribe with the link below the video as well, and I'll share more tips on how to create a business and a life that you love. See you soon.